Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Charlotte, where we talk all things outdoor living, from materials to maintenance and everything in between. Let's talk about one of the biggest shifts in deck construction over the past 20 years, low-maintenance composite decking. Many homeowners love the look of real wood, but hate the upkeep. That's where composites come in. Brands like Trex and TimberTech have changed the industry. They combine recycled wood fibers with high-grade polymers that resist water, insects, fading, and cracking. Unlike wood, you never have to stain or seal them. You just wash them occasionally with mild soap and water, and they look new again. Now, let's be honest. Composite decking costs more upfront. But here's the trade-off. No sanding, no sealing, no replacement boards every few seasons. Long-term, composites often pay for themselves by saving maintenance costs and time. Today's boards also look incredibly realistic. Manufacturers use advanced color blending that mimics wood grain down to subtle variations in shade. Homeowners often can't tell the difference after installation. Performance is another major advantage. Charlotte's humidity, rain, and strong sunlight can break down untreated wood quickly. Composite boards maintain stability through all that. No warping or rot underneath. It's important to remember that even the best boards need a proper foundation. At Tuff Deck Builders Charlotte, we reinforce every deck frame to carry composite weights safely using code-approved framing techniques. You can reach us at 980-998-0872 or visit tuffdeckbuilderscharlotte.com for help choosing the best low-maintenance material for your property. Whether it's decking, railing, or integrated lighting, the best outdoor projects combine smart structure with strong materials. With composites, you spend more time enjoying your backyard and less time maintaining it. That's the truth about low-maintenance materials, and that's why so many homeowners are making the switch. Thanks for tuning in to Deck Builders Charlotte.